Evolution Power Deep Cycle Lift-4 battery for solar energy storage. Built-in BMS technology with low temp and high temp protection. The temperature of the battery charging and the storing areas has a direct effect on the chemical reaction within the battery cell. Extremely low temperatures can reduce the energy and the power capabilities of batteries. High temperature, however, can contribute to a high internal temperature of the battery, which can also decrease the performance and the power capabilities of batteries. Additionally, for this issue, high temperatures produce further complications and risks. Thermal runaway typically occurs at a high temperature because they can trigger exothermic reactions in batteries. If the battery lost control, it will be damaged or even catch fire. Fortunately, the lithium iron phosphate battery solution resolved this problem because this battery has built-in BMS technology with low temp and high temp protection. The system of high temperature and low temperature protection has a sensor. Once the temperature exceeds the safety range, it will cut off and stop working to keep the battery in a safe condition.